Can you get that?
This one's actually DJ's tongue twister. Come join me, DJ.
Ooh. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Γιατί παπαπαχή έφαγες παχιαφακή?
Well, this is a short few sentences in the Chong language. It's about a few men going to hunt an animal and one of them getting lost on the way. Well, this is what it sounds like.
What language is that?
The language is called Chong. It's spoken on the border of Botswana and Namibia.
So the tongue twister I'm going to tell you is a Polish tongue twister, which in English means a bug makes a sound and reads in the town of Szczebrzeszyn, and in Polish it is w Szczebrzeszynie chrząszcz brzmi w trzcinie.
Do you have another one?
Król Karol kupił królowej Karolinie korale koloru koralowego. So the King Charles bought a necklace for the Queen Carolina or Charlotte, and the necklace was in the color of the corals. No, the coral.
So, a table with broken off legs in Polish would be stół z powyłamywanymi nogami.
Do you have any more?
Szedł Sasha suchą szosą. Sasha was walking down the dry road.
So it's a Greek tongue twister, so it's from Greece, and the English meaning is the fat priest ate fat lentils. Why, oh fat priest, did you eat fat lentils? Ο παπάς ο παχής έφαγε παχιαφακή. Γιατί παπαπαχή έφαγες παχιαφακή?
So this is a Hungarian tongue twister, and it is like mit sütsz kis szűcs, tán sós hús sütsz kis szűcs. And of course you can say it even faster. And it means like mit sütsz kis szűcs, what are you baking? Little furier, tán sós hús sütsz kis szűcs. Maybe you are baking salted meat, little furier, yeah, something like that.
Okay, here's Beetle Czech with the Prager on YouTube. The perfect person to give some tongue twisters in Czech. Please tell what it means first.
Okay, so it's a very popular one. It only has consonants and it means stick a finger through your throat. Yes. Strč prst skrz krk.
Slowly.
Strč prst skrz krk.
Faster.
Strč prst skrz krk.
Faster.
Strč prst skrz krk.
Faster.
Strč prst skrz krk.
You have another one there?
Jo. Ne na oleju jeli Julie kolije na oleju je ja. So if Julia doesn't oil the rail, I will oil it.
Okay.
So the tongue twister will be in Esperanto, and it means Peter, the permission from the father absolutely take before taking part in an enterprise. Petro, la permeson de la patro ne preprenu por partopreni entreprenon. Petro, la permeson de la patro ne preprenu por partopreni entreprenon.
He's going to give us some Italian tongue twisters. Could you tell us what it is in English first and then say it?
In English would be, are you get angry about that? And get angry about that. I don't care. Ti ci stizzisci e stizziscitici pure.
Faster.
Ti ci stizzisci e stizzisciti pure. No, this was a bit wrong.
Okay, another one from us?
Pelé, the football player,
Yeah.
he went as a parachuter into Peru, but he died for the puree. Pelé partì per il Perù, però per il puree.
Whoa.
My tongue twister in Italian means 33 people from Trento entered Trento, all 33 slightly throttling. 33 trentini entrarono a Trento, tutti e 33 trotterellando. 33 trentini entrarono a Trento, tutti e 33 trotterellando. 33 trentini entrarono a Trento, tutti e 33 trotterellando. 33 trentini entrarono a Trento, tutti e 33 trotterellando. 33 trentini entrarono a Trento, tutti e 33 trotterellando.
Bravo.
This is a tongue twister about bricks. I'm saying that the sky has a lot of bricks, and the person who can take out the bricks from the sky will be really good at that task. So I'm saying that in Spanish. El cielo está enladrillado. ¿Quién lo desenladrillará? El desenladrillador que lo desenladrille, buen desenladrillador será. El cielo está ladrillado. ¿Quién lo desenladrillará? El desenladrillador que lo desenladrille, buen desenladrillador será.
In German it's Blaukraut bleibt Blaukraut und Brautkleid bleibt Brautkleid.
It means like blue cabbage stays blue cabbage and a wedding dress stays wedding dress.
Okay, one more time faster.
Brautkleid bleibt Blaukraut.
Ja, ein anderes.
Blaukraut bleibt Blaukraut und Brautkleid bleibt Brautkleid.
Yay!
Zwischen zwei Zwetschgenzweigen zwitschern zwei Schwalben.
What does that mean?
What does it actually mean in English?
Between two damson twigs, there are two swallows that make those sounds that swallows make, you know.
So the meaning of this tongue twister, the Swiss tongue twister, is they said if water were wine, then how would Walisian wash women wash dirty laundry white? Yes. Okay. Wenn Wasser Wein wäre, wie würden Walliser Wäschweiber wüste Wäsche weiss waschen?
Can you try that tongue twister as well?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wenn Wasser wie wäre, wie würden Walliser Wäschweiber wüste Wäsche weiss waschen?
Quite good.
Tongue twisters in Hindi for us.
Chandu's uncle gives to Chandu's auntie in a silver spoon some chutney in the moonlight. Do you want to go?
I don't know it off by heart actually.
चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदनी रात में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. What? That's how we do it, baby.
So this is a statement about a house. So it's a specific house that we don't have anymore. So it's sort of people, rich people who live in this house. We call it Valaue. So the roof is called Vahale. So Valaue Vahale is the roof of this building. And there's a bat. So bat is Vaula. Vahala, it means like it's landed. So Valaue Vahale, Vaula Vahala. Valaue Vahale, Vaula Vahala. Valaue Vahale, Vaula Vahala.
It's gonna be in Vietnamese. It's mean when the rice field grow up, the woman feel happy. So it's gonna be lúa nếp là lúa nếp làng, lúa lên lớp lớp lòng nàng lân lân. Can you do fast? Lúa nếp là lúa nếp làng, lúa lên lớp lớp lòng nàng lân lân.
Here's an English tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many peppers did Peter Piper pick?
The first Russian tongue twister, there is grass in the yard and there is wood on the grass. Don't chop wood on the yard's grass. Now in Russian. На дворе трава, на траве дрова. Не руби дрова, на траве двора. There is another one and the meaning is the ships maneuvered but haven't maneuvered out. It's hard to explain again. Корабли лавировали, да не вылавировали.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you.